What's the meaning of caulk? Caulk. Caulk.
Caulk. Caulk. Caulk refers to the process of sealing gaps, cracks, and joints in various surfaces such as walls, doors, windows, and roofs. Caulking is commonly done using a specialized sealant that is applied with a caulking gun. The sealant can be made of various materials such as silicone, latex, or rubber, and it serves to prevent air, water, and other substances from passing through the gaps and causing damage or other issues. By filling these gaps, caulk can improve the insulation and energy efficiency of a building while also enhancing its overall appearance and durability.